It's a sunny afternoon, and baby Favor is about to try her favorite fruit, watermelon.
Are you ready, Favor?
She's been waiting for this all morning.
Yummy!
But sometimes, watermelon fun turns into a juicy disaster.
Oh, no. Shez turned into a watermelon monster.
We definitely need a bath after this.
Mocha mocha.
And that's how one watermelon became an adventure. After all that juicy fun, it's time for a bubbly cleanup.
Almost as much fun as watermelon, huh?
Let's get behind those little ears.
Pee tickle.
Clean, happy, and ready for a snuggly nap. After all the fun, baby Favor is ready to rest.
Good night, little melon muncher.
Night, night, Daddy and Mommy.
Sweet dreams, watermelon queen.